Hi guys, my name is B.S. Chandra Maurya and I am one of the teammates working on this amazing project known as OMR Sheet Evaluator, and we are participating in the Hack ED competition, and I'm very excited to show you our app that we have built till now. So the teacher can either log in or if they are not created their account yet, they can always sign up, and the sign up option will be showing up something like this. And I've already signed up and have an account created, so I'll just skip this part and go to the login part, and I'll enter my details. Password is 2020, and now the teacher has logged in, and right after the teacher has logged in, the dashboard is visible to the teacher, and all the test IDs created would be visible in the dashboard itself. And test ID along with the number of questions is visible. So let's create a answer key from scratch. How do we do that? So we can create an answer key right from this point, and we can click on that, and the teacher can assign a test ID right here, and let's say it's 1990. Okay, 1990. And the app asks you to fill the number of questions involved in the test ID that is created, that is the 1990 here. So let's say we have 30 questions, and I have some sample OMRs right in front of me, and let's take this one. So I've printed out these OMR sheets from the sample link. So let me create the exact same test ID answer key so that this question paper should be getting the full answers, full marks, I guess. So let me fill all of these. 30 to 31. Okay, so we have marked all of the answers. Yeah, the question 5 is C. Okay, so in case the teacher forgets to fill a particular question, so if the teacher inputs that, the app responds with this message: please mark all the answers. Let's say now it's fine. Let's create the answer key. Now the teacher has successfully created the test ID along with the question number of questions specified, and now as we can see, the test ID and the number of questions are mentioned in the dashboard in a separate section. And now the teacher can click on the evaluate button corresponding to the test ID, and as we can see, there is another component which is open, test ID 1990, and we have to click the image, and let's click this image that I have created from. So just for the reference. Okay, the image has been clicked. So that's it. And then the teacher can simply click on the evaluate, and the app can grade the OMR sheet. The app has successfully done its job, and now the enrollment number along with the test ID and marks are obtained from its OMR sheet. So let's check the enrollment number. I won't be seeing the number from anywhere other than the app, so I'll just show you the enrollment number. Please note down the enrollment number that I'm reading. The enrollment number is 1352417896. Adding the test ID, let's go to the home page, that is the dashboard, and the test ID 1990 shows two options: evaluate and more. What happens when we click on more? More is for the teacher to see all of the students' marks accordingly, along with a Bezier chart to see how many people have scored this many marks in this particular range, or anything like that. Here we can see only one student has attempted the test, and as we have clicked only one OMR with this sheet. And you can also search the enrollment numbers in this bar, as we have only one test ID right now. So that's how the app works. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.